What's up, Athena family? I'm Ryan Brown, National Facility Advisor, here to talk about some of our products. When cultivating at a smaller scale, every individual plant counts. You want to give them the best care possible, but sometimes it can be hard to find the right amount of fertilizer for your needs. Commercial growers have the advantage of buying fertilizer in bulk, with 25-pound bags being the norm. But for smaller scale growers, that's often too much and can be very expensive. This can lead to improper use and storage, resulting in a less than ideal fertilizer program. This drove Athena to create the ProLine Mix Kit. This kit comes with appropriately sized bottles for each respective ProLine fertilizer and a single 2-pound pouch of each core, grow, and bloom to get you started. Refill pouches are also available. These smaller pouches will provide you with more convenience and portability and allow for a more precision application of our products. Also, you can use up the fertilizer more quickly, ensuring that it remains fresh and effective. This is especially important if you have a smaller garden or use fertilizers infrequently. You can get the right amount of fertilizer for your needs without breaking the bank. The ProLine Mix Kit makes it easy to mix your stock concentrate with reusable bottles. Recycling bottles is an important way to reduce waste and protect the environment. Usage rates are referenced on the bottle. Just empty the pouch, fill with water, and shake. So if you're more of a boutique craft grower looking for an affordable and effective way to fertilize your plants, try our ProLine Mix Kit. You'll get the same quality and effectiveness as the big guys, but in a package that's just right for you. All Athena feed programs and procedures can be found online at athenaag.com, as well as our Athena store on Amazon. For the latest information on Athena, follow our Instagram at athena.ag, Facebook at athena.cultivation, and on our YouTube, just search for Athena Cultivation.